Wednesday, January 17th, 2024. I arrive at Plant City, Florida, and see L779, a Monday through Friday local train that works around Plant City on the S line. L779 had just taken the connection track from the S line to A line to head back to Tampa. After L779, I began to hear chatter about a train coming out of Winston Yard over near Lakeland. I then noticed a red over green aspect at Sandler Junction just north of the Diamond, a medium clear. CSX sometimes routes trains that normally use the Vitus sub out of Lakeland into Plant City to use the S line, and that's exactly what is happening here. The train was L729. Daily to almost daily, Winston, Florida to Brown Sand, Georgia, empty rock hoppers headed back north for loading. 3 General Electric GEVO locomotives led this tiny train today. That are rerouted via Plant City must crawl at 10 miles per hour. It can take upwards of 20 minutes for these long trains to pass. Luckily, L729 was a whopping 14 cars today. As soon as I got over to the S-line curve just south of the Diamond, the southbound signal suddenly went to a high green. That right there is every rail fan's favorite sight to see. The train was M441, daily Waycross, Georgia to Tampa, Florida manifest traffic. 441 normally passes in the wee morning hours, but it was running pretty late today, headed through town just after 11 a.m. It felt weird to hear no horn through town. Despite the signs, sometimes the trains still blow the horn, but sometimes they don't. In the process of headed through Plant City, S-line trains must battle this sharp curve. The curve is so sharp that the inner parts of the wheels scrape along the rails, and oh boy is it loud. 1 headed into the distance, it was time for me to head home. In Plant City, Florida, this is Tampa Bay Rails signing off.